Hey, how are you? Thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make the easiest thing you'll ever make in your whole life. I call it pork marinara, and it is just simply that. It is pork in marinara sauce, and so instead of serving, meatballs or whatever with your pasta, everybody gets some pork, and the sauce gets so yummy because the juices from the pork go into the sauce, and it's just a super yummy, easy dish. And I mean, you literally throw it in the crock pot, a couple of things, and you let it go, and then you cook some pasta, and then you're done. It's so easy. So we're gonna get started. It's just me and my husband, so I'm actually just gonna use 3 boneless pork chops. You could use a pork roast, or you could do, maybe up to 6 boneless pork chops, but it's just the 2 of us, so don't really want to make anything extra. I don't like wasting food. And then a jar of marinara sauce, your favorite kind. And then on top of that, I'm just going to add a little bit of extra Italian seasoning and a little bit of extra garlic powder. That's it. That's the whole recipe. And then I'm going to set it up to go for, I'll probably check it. I'm going to put it on low. Sometimes I think my crock pot cooks a little higher than most. So I'm going to check it at about 4 hours, but maybe 5 or 6. I don't know. We'll see. We'll just see how it goes. So there we go. That took 1 minute. And if I was leaving to go to work or something and come home, it would be super nice to have dinner ready like that. I love recipes like this. So we're gonna let this go, and when it's done, we'll cook some pasta and we'll serve it up. Okay, I'm back. Our pork chops cooked for actually longer than I expected, about 7 hours in the crock pot on low. However, the pork chops are pretty lean, so I think they take a little longer than something fattier. So anyway, about 7 hours on low. And I've got some pasta here. I'll put a picture on the screen for you of what this sauce looks like. Looks amazing. It's kind of a nice change from meatballs or, the usual marinara. So that's it. Simplest recipe ever. And I tasted the sauce. It's delicious. It tastes very porky now since it had the pork chops in there all day long. It doesn't just taste like a jar of, ready-made sauce. It tastes homemade because of it cooking with that pork all day long. It's delicious. I made another video today for pineapple upside down cake if you have any interest in that. My husband hasn't gotten into that yet, but there'll be some damage done later. So anyway, thanks for checking out my video, and do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's free for you, and it allows me to make more videos. And I'll see you soon.